A system of the body is a group of organs and tissues that work together to perform a specific function. The human body consists of 11 major systems, including the skeletal, muscular, nervous, circulatory, respiratory, digestive, endocrine, urinary, reproductive, integumentary, and immune systems. Each system is composed of organs and tissues that work together to carry out its specific functions. 1. Skeletal system. The skeletal system is made up of bones, ligaments, and tendons. It provides structure and support for the body, protects organs, and produces blood cells. 2. Muscular system. The muscular system is made up of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. It helps the body move and provides stability and strength. 3. Nervous system. The nervous system is made up of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. It sends signals throughout the body, allowing us to think, feel, and move. 4. Circulatory system. The circulatory system is made up of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. It helps to transport oxygen and nutrients to cells and remove waste from them. 5. Respiratory system. The respiratory system is made up of the lungs, airways, and diaphragm. It helps to bring oxygen into the body and remove carbon dioxide. 6. Digestive system. The digestive system is made up of the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. It helps to break down food and absorb nutrients. 7. Endocrine system. The endocrine system is made up of glands that produce hormones. These hormones help to regulate growth, metabolism, and other body functions. 8. Immune system. The immune system is the body's natural defense system that helps protect it from foreign invaders such as bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. It is composed of a network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to identify and destroy these invaders. The immune system is made up of cells and organs that help to protect the body from disease and infection. 9. Reproductive system. The reproductive system is made up of the male and female reproductive organs. It helps to produce offspring. 10. Urinary system. The urinary system, also known as the renal system, is responsible for the production, storage, and excretion of urine. It is composed of the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The kidneys filter waste products from the blood and produce urine, which is then transported to the bladder via the ureters. The bladder stores urine until it is ready to be expelled from the body through the urethra. 11. Integumentary system. The integumentary system is the body's largest organ system and is composed of the skin, hair, nails, and exocrine glands. It forms a protective barrier against the external environment, helps regulate body temperature, and acts as a sensory organ. The human body is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that together make life possible. 10 major systems are responsible for the body's functions: skeletal, muscular, cardiovascular, nervous, endocrine, lymphatic, respiratory, digestive, urinary, and reproductive. The skeletal, muscular, and cardiovascular systems, in particular, create an infrastructure that facilitates the other systems. The adult skeletal system is a framework of over 206 bones that holds the body together, gives it shape, and protects its organs and tissues. By understanding how the different systems of the body interact, we can better appreciate the complexity of our bodies and how they function.